subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As I said, I'll be back as guys. I'm back as you. So please subscribe my channel. As guys, let's get started. And also guys, this video is about the WhatsApp information. Okay guys, so guys, you can see that WhatsApp is here on my home page. As guys, you can see here so many tricks I will show you in this video. As guys, you can see here 3 dots, right? Click on it guys, and now click on settings. You can see as also guys that you can see here new group. You can create a new group, new broadcast. WhatsApp web means you all know, started messages and etc. And here is the settings guys. You can see settings, tap on it guys, and you can see here so many means your contact number. My name is Prano, so you can see there Prano, and you can also add your here, click on it. You can also add your about here your phone number. You can see, and you tap on that where about is there, then you can add means sorry, you can add that your wish one, hashtag Rana 8099 gaming. Now you can see guys, like you can see about me, and if this is for like this guys, some people keeps down like I am still there, like I'll show you guys. See guys, you can see here can't talk WhatsApp only. This one, the line heading, you can see what you kept now. And now other one is account guys. You can, if you will go to your account, you can see privacy means last seen, means you can see that here inside any contact, like last seen you will get what was the last scene. You can see guys, last seen today at 3 o'clock 33 minutes. So that's what is the last scene. You can see, you can change that settings here. Go into account, privacy, last scene everybody, or you will have here my contacts or nobody. I'll change as nobody. You can see, and profile picture I kept nobody. You can also change it everyone, my contacts nobody. And about me, like that's what just now we kept that caption. So that is everyone, my contacts or nobody. Status, you will get some options guys. My contacts except some people, like you can select here, or else only share with some people. You will get again like this. You can keep a tick mark clicking on it as guys. Now I'll leave off, I'll keep everyone nobody. Okay, you can see groups everyone, means when you will go to any group guys, see you can see here one group. I'll show you our family group. You can see guys here our family. So going into it here, more group info, you can see that means like, see if they have your contact and you are also in some group of that. You can see here, this is my father's BSNL, and you can see here view contact. You can see here guys, I showed you our family, right? Our not Nana BSNL means my father, not my father, my father's other phone. You can see here going into view contact. Here you can see group in common. Here you can see guys, means my father is also in our family. I will show you, see guys, our family. You can see here group info. You can see who are there. My father's name. Okay guys, now let's move forward, going into other settings. ISC and that all. Okay, security, two-step verification. This all you know guys, means like getting some information about you. And next, chance. Here is the main thing guys. You can also change your phone theme. You can clicking on to chance, you can see that theme and wallpaper. You can change your theme light or dark or system default. You can see guys, we can keep, if I will keep dark, you can see. Okay, see guys, my WhatsApp will be like this. And you can also keep as default or light like this. I'm keeping system default. And now maximum this dark will be in Apple phones, means Android phones, I know that. And going into the wallpaper guys, here you can change the text wallpaper, means not here. I'll show you guys. See, you can see that some photo here, background my mother's photo. Now if you will change, if you want to change it, you can nicely going to settings, chance, again going to wallpaper. You can keep no wallpaper, means it will be black, nothing. I'll show you, see guys, I kept no wallpaper. You can see backside nothing is there, or else your current one I will show you guys. Here going default one, which is like some pictures you will see. Yes guys, this one. And also you can change from your gallery, not this team. Wallpaper, you can see wallpaper library, solid colors, gallery and etc. I'm not showing you that all guys, as you all know this meaning. What does it mean? Okay, font size guys, you can see your font size, and you can change your font size to small, large or medium. It's in medium now, so I want to keep large. You can see guys, now you can see here this much big. You can see guys, DYDF. You can see the font that much big. And now I want to keep it. This all the status and calls guys, as you all know. And you can see here the camera option guys. Continue, and you all know this. Okay, now settings, chance, yeah, I want to keep in medium only. Okay, app language, you can change your language guys. I also know Hindi, so I can also keep Hindi. You can see guys, this all will be in English. You have to type in Hindi. Like, see guys, you can see a chot, chant and status and etc. here, calls in Hindi. I want to change it here again. I want to keep it in English. So you can see it already got changed. And notifications guys, here is also a main thing. Go to notifications, means clicking on notifications, you can see notifications tone as default they gave, or else I can keep anything. Like here I download, and also you can download it, guys. If you'll download, you will already automatically get into the phone here, but I didn't download anything. You can change, you can see beep once. Yes, guys, so I'll keep default ring. So light means use high notifications. This if you want to on, you on, or else no, means there will be more information about it. Light, white, red. What do you mean this? Yellow. Okay, I got it, guys. You can see the wallpaper changed into light yellow. Now leave it. I'll keep it into, means your screen gets, okay, I got it. Your screen gets yellow. Okay, when the notifications comes, okay, I'll keep white. And like ringtone, you can see my calls ringtone. I kept PUBG theme, guys, as I like gaming also. And vibration I kept default, all short or long or off. Vibration it's your wish, guys. It's when the phone call comes. I don't like vibration, so I'm not keeping. And data and storage, you can see how much storage you are using of your this WhatsApp, and you can see that here more info about your WhatsApp. You can invite a friend, you can also share your link. Okay, guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Okay, guys, meet you in next video. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys.